In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML code in Unbounce landing page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place your code, how to insert it safely, and how to make it look just right on your page. First, sign into your Unbounce account and open the landing page you want to work on inside the Unbounce builder. Make sure you're editing the correct page variation if you're running tests, and give yourself a moment to let the builder load all elements so nothing gets missed while you're moving things around. This method uses the classic builder, so if you see the classic interface, you're in the right place. In the classic builder, open the widgets panel. You'll find a variety of draggable elements there. Look for the custom HTML widget. This is your gateway to adding almost any embeddable element, things like third-party forms, calendars, chat widgets, countdowns, or custom styling and markup. Drag the custom HTML widget onto your page and drop it exactly where you want the embedded content to live. Think about the user's flow when placing it, above the fold for high-priority content, or lower on the page for supplemental features. As soon as you drop it, a dialog box called Embed Custom HTML Code will open. This is where you paste your HTML, script, or widget snippet. Copy your code from its source and paste it into that field exactly as provided. If it includes script tags, keep them intact. Many providers offer a ready-made embed. It's best to use the full snippet to ensure proper functionality. Avoid adding personal or sensitive information to the code and only use scripts from trusted sources to maintain performance and security. When you're done pasting, click Save Code. The widget will appear as a box on your canvas. That box represents the space your embedded content will occupy. Resize or move the HTML box so your content fits neatly within your layout. Use the alignment guides in the builder to keep spacing consistent, and make sure it doesn't overlap key elements like buttons or headlines. If your embed has a fixed width or height, adjust the box to match those dimensions so nothing gets cut off. A quick note: some embeds may not render fully inside the editor and only display correctly when the page is viewed live. That's normal for certain scripts. If you run into display quirks, check the provider's documentation for any required container sizes or restrictions. And that's it. You've successfully embedded HTML code in your Unbounce landing page using the classic builder's custom HTML widget.